Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Today, we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful functions, the if function. It's a simple but super flexible tool that can help you make decisions based on the data in your spreadsheet. Let's start with the basics. The if function lets you test a condition and return one result if it's true and another result if it's false. This is perfect for things like checking if a sales target is met, categorizing data, or even calculating bonuses. Here's how the if function is structured. The basic syntax is what_if logical test, value if true, value if false. Now, let's break that down. Logical test. This is the condition you're testing, like is A1 greater than 100? Value if true, the result you want if the condition is true. Value if false, what you want if the condition is false. Now, let's go through a practical example using this student score sheet. We have a list of students with their scores, and we want to mark each student as either pass or fail based on a passing score of 50. In cell C2, we'll type our formula, =if, B2 = 50. Pass, fail. This checks if the score in cell B2 is 50 or higher. If it is, the formula will return pass. If not, it will return fail. As you can see, students like Emma, Mark, and Tom passed because their scores were above 50. However, students like Alice and Sam with scores below 50 are marked as fail. This simple example shows just how powerful the if function can be for categorizing data. In just a few steps, we created a dynamic formula that evaluates each student's score and automatically provides a result. And that's how to use the if function in Excel. With just a simple formula, you can categorize data and make your spreadsheet smarter and more dynamic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tips, and let me know in the comments what other Excel functions you'd like to learn about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.